Okay, this is my first video of the countdown clocks here at 96th Street on the 7th Avenue line. The other day I came here, I just took pictures because I didn't have a camera phone. This is different from the other day that I came here because a lot of the, I think about 4 clocks on the platform level actually had paper wrapping still on it. I took off 2, but now they came and they took all of them off. So far, they're working pretty good. The next 2 trains should be here in 3 minutes. It goes all the way down to 1 minute. Most of the ones that come on brand new, everybody knows from our videos before, sometimes they don't go down to 1 minute. It'll probably cycle down to 2 and say the train is coming into the station a few minutes or like a few moments after that. I found that with me being here so far, it goes down to 1 minute on both the local and the express sides, on both south and northbound sides. So it's doing pretty good. And what I noticed is everybody is not actually looking onto the platform or off the platform like they used to because the clocks are here. So this is one change that I've noticed. You see the arrows. It's 2 minutes for the next 2 trains. And I had to point on something real quick that a lot of my followers know me for, and that is I saw a comment about the countdown clocks. One guy asked, a few people actually were saying that they don't like the idea that it shows it in this form. The first train coming into the station, the second train coming into the station, and third and fourth and so have you. Then the route, then its destination, and the amount of time. I don't think that you could have done this any better. People said that they could have did it a few different ways than this. I'm not going to even try to get into it all, but this is about as, brainless as you can get. The first train entering the station, the route, what's the destination, because it doesn't always have to go to this last stop at all times. And as you can see, this dropped down to 1 minute. But like I was saying, you can't get any easier than that. If you really wanted it to get any better than this, it will cost millions more than what it did. But this is the easiest and smartest way you can actually get these things. I like how they have it. It cycles out by the time the train stops. A few seconds later, it cycles off, and it'll show you the next train to come into the station. line and let y'all see the one train cycle in to 1 minute and arrive at the station. But like I was saying, if anybody have any idea of how these work in other states and cities, this is about as easy as it can get. It's telling you what track is coming on. It's telling you what train is coming in first. Another thing I want to point out is that with these clocks comes everything. They have a lot of things that they can do with this over the years. It's very diverse and versatile, which means, they can put this any format they want to put it. They went with this format because it was the easiest and most, the brainless way of showing what's going on. What train is coming, where it's going, how long. Some people even say that they would have rather it just show you the number of the train, where it's going in the time. With the people that live in this city, things could have went any which way, but at the same time, people do get confused. Any which way you put this thing, people would have gotten confused. It doesn't matter which way they'll put it. I mean, I've seen it all. People would not understand it. If you can't read the signs on the wall that says this, don't run this way. That's interesting. It's turned off. Let's see if there's still a green light in there. Yeah, it's still on. It's just cycling. But like I was saying, there's a whole bunch of ways that they can use this system. But then at the same time, people, if it was up to everybody, they'll have it their way, and they wouldn't even like it the way that they like it. So the MTA can't go based on every person's idea of what they want. They can only put it the way that they feel like most people will understand and leave it the way it is. They can change it up a little bit. They can change it up a little bit, but why would they? It hasn't come back on yet. Another thing I want to show out is their new stickers they have on the garbage cans. That's something I noticed here today. Yesterday actually when I was here. They have litter stops here. Hopefully that will keep the people mind on keeping the subways clean, because to me, the way your subway looks is based on who you are and how you are when it comes to littering. The announcements are still working, but the display is off. That's my end of my thing now. I'll start up a new one later. 42nd Street should be coming on within this next week, so I'm going to be following that. If anybody has it before I do, please feel free to throw it up there. This is 96th Street. That's showing how it looks.